Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to upgrade the SSD hard drive on this computer. So we're going to replace this SSD with 1 TB SSD. So this is Western Digital green, and let's do it. So here I got my special gadget. So this is the screwdriver I like the most. I'm going to use this big one. Screws we're going to open one by one. And the last one. It's easy to open, just like that. Okay, now we can remove this SSD. So that's how it looks. Now we're going to open this. So this is Western Digital 1 TB. Okay, here in the BIOS you can see disk 1 Western Digital green has been detected. It's 1 TB and disk information. So now from here we just need to install Windows 11 or Windows 10. So we're gonna go with Windows 11, and that's all. Thank you for watching guys, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.